gonna be in it with me. Hey, it's Cody and Chopper, and we are at the HandBuilt show in Los Angeles, California. My bike is on display. You can't miss it. She's the Rainbow Sportster. We're kind of in the middle of all of the chaos. There are over 100 invited, amazing, talented builders here, and we're so stoked to be a part of it. Intelligentsia Coffee is here, so I think that's where we should start. Let's go get some coffee, and then let's go look at some awesome custom bikes and cars. Let's go. Okay, didn't know, but there's free coffee for the first 2 hours. Thank you, Intelligentsia Coffee. This is like vanilla and cinnamon, and there's cayenne pepper on top. It's delicious. Cheers. Now that we're fully caffeinated, let's go take a look at some bikes. Over here, doing some free workshops. That's Teresa's bike that she built. It's a Pan America. She had it at Sturgis and was letting people ride it. She's short like me, so I always love seeing those builds because I know I can touch the ground. Alrighty, so the long-awaited explanation of the Iron Pony Show Lifestyle Cycles collab build right here. Let's go through the bike. First of all, the most noticeable thing is the paint. It is by Paintworks in Temecula. They did an incredible job. I told them, Lisa Frank, 90s girl icon, girl power. They were like, I don't know about that. I was like, yeah, leopard print, flames, sparkles. And they're like, let's think about it. And then they were like, hell yeah, brother, sister. So super stoked with how that turned out. I feel like this is like 20 layers of paint happening right now. Since I'm back here, we'll go over the sissy bar. This is an Iron Pony Show original. This is me as a cowgirl cut out. We'll have these for sale soon. I also helped design this, but this is a one-off, so it says little Iron Pony Show right there for the Iron Pony Show. This used to be an 883, and I actually rode it to Chicago on Route 66 as an 883, but thanks to S&S Cycle, we got a big bore kit and cam in here, and now it is a 1200. This thing rips. I did like 95 the whole way to Sturgis. It was so much fun. We've also got a TBR pipe, 2-in-1 with a carbon fiber tip, so everybody can hear me coming, which I love. We've got custom shocks from RWD back here. They are custom made for my height and weight because I am tiny, 5'2" and 95 pounds. And we have some Burley brand crash bars, because you know your girl likes to do hard stuff, and sometimes I drop my bike. Oh, and we've got RWD fender right here, and a mini FXR fairing from Saddlemen, which really just pulled the whole bike together. Before I had a Memphis Shades Del Rio Sports Shield on there, so like kind of a tall windshield, which was so great for blocking the wind. But aesthetically, adding this just really made a lot of sense for my bike, and I'm pretty obsessed. I get a lot of compliments on it. And we've got some cross thread pegs right here. Before I was riding on these tiny little pegs that were just like this, so that's a huge upgrade for my feet. And they've kind of got like a dirt bike feel to it, so I love that. And that is kind of a quick little tour of the Iron Pony Show Lifestyle Cycles collab build that is at the HandBuilt show right now. Woo! Alrighty, Chopper just took a little pee break, and it's so cool. You don't even have to go inside to look at all the cool cars and motorcycles, because the people that come to the show have cool cars and motorcycles. Just love the community and how fun everything is. Yo, what's up? Is this your bike?
It is.
Damn! Can you introduce yourself and tell me a little bit? He doesn't think I look like my sticker.
It's a, what is this shade called again?
Biolon.
It's a biolon. It's not blonde, but it's not brunette. It's in between.
Enough about me. Can you?
Yeah, my name's Anthony. My Instagram handle is the real AOJ, and this is my shovel.
Hell yeah! What was the? What's your favorite part on the bike?
Riding it, putting miles on it.
Putting miles on it.
Yeah, I mean, I love everything about it. This is my daily life.
Okay, if there was a fire and everything on the bike burned except for one piece, what would you want to save?
Me.
Okay, no more interviews with Filipinos because
What?
sense of humor.
I don't want to burn. Let the whole bike burn.
Oh my gosh,
Take
well
myself off of it.
it's super cool. When did you start making it?
Last year, so February of 2024.
Sick.
That's when I bought it. As time goes on, it just transforms. It's probably gone through like 4 different tanks.
Oh,
Yeah.
4 different tanks.
Yeah. I've gone through like 3 different wheels. But this is the wheel set that I'm like finally like satisfied with.
Nice. Yeah. Did you ride it here?
I did yesterday.
Yesterday? No trailer queens here.
Yeah, I don't have a trailer, that's why.
Cool, well it's awesome. Congrats. Anything, Chopper?
Oh, put Chopper on the chopper.
Put Chopper on the chopper?
Yeah.
That's a wrap on the HandBuilt show. This is the first time I got to put my bike up clean since at Becky's I put it up dirty at Axel's Hideout. But this time Jigger took a toothbrush to her and some Dawn soap and really made her sparkly and clean, so thanks for that. We actually have to run to the next event. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks to Lifestyle Cycles. Thanks to the HandBuilt show for inviting us. We will catch you Cody's Roadies on the Wild. Let's shift gears and change lives.